Welcome to GAAP Advisors channel. This video discusses an example of non-compliance with Ind AS 7. A review of Ind AS financial statements takes 16 to 24 hours. It is a humble request that if you find the videos on GAAP Advisors channel useful, kindly reflect on the value created and contribute your desired amount by scanning the QR code given in the slides. A listed company other than NBFC in its published financial statements has reported cash flows from financing activities as shown in this slide. The company has reported a repayment of long-term borrowings and has specified that the same is on net basis. This is not in accordance with Ind AS 7. The reason for the view is explained in the next slide. Para 21 of Ind AS 7 requires an entity to report separately major classes of gross cash receipts and gross cash payments arising from investing and financing activities except for cash flows described in Para 22 and 24 of Ind AS 7. Para 22 of Ind AS 7 specify cash receipts and payments on behalf of customers and cash receipts and payments for items in which the turnover is quick and maturities are short. Therefore, the exception in Para 22 does not apply in the given case of repayment of long-term borrowings. Para 24 of Ind AS 7 is applicable for cash flows of a financial institution. The company is not an NBFC and therefore Para 24 of Ind AS 7 does not apply to it. Accordingly, the company should have presented a repayment of long-term borrowings on gross basis in accordance with Para 21 of Ind AS 7. Due to this error, a statement of cash flows has not been reported in accordance with Ind AS 7. Thank you so much for watching this video and for your contribution. Hope you found this video useful. If you would like to get your financial statements reviewed by GAAP Advisors, you may mail them in PDF in your publishing format to info@gapadvisors.com.